Okay, we're back over here, and this is the thing happening. What is that noise? What?
Lady Marwen.
Well, that's not terrifying at all. What the?
Why have you returned? You are not done yet. How did you know where to find this?
He has shown me.
Who
You
has?
haven't told me what you want in return.
Only that you learn what you are truly capable of. Find an orc leader, make him a war chief, and all his soldiers will be yours.
Great.
Where am I to lead this army of mine?
Bring them to me, and I will show you.
Okay then. Sounds good. We got a plan. Good idea. Don't we need it? Isn't that like his favorite hat or something? Okay, just leave it there on the floor. That's fine. Let's go.
Marwen said to bring her an army.
We shall not build an army. We shall command one.
We'll need to
I'd
find an
like-
order captain to dominate and make our own.
There
I
is
had
a
so
slaver
many
near here
skins.
named Grublik. We will make him serve our cause.
Okay, no. Okay, cool look. Hang on. Branded! So many. Everyone run. Just knocks him over. Guys, get out of here. I saved you. Knocks him over. Okay, got that guy branded. That's cool. I wonder if he stays branded out of this mission. Hope so. Well, bye. Bye, Karagor. You're scary, aren't you? Oh my gosh, he's so pissed. He's so mad. Why is he mad? What did I even do to him? Oh, we're going... Oh my. Okay, this Karagor following me thing is kind of annoying. Okay, up here we go. To the archer first. I wonder if I can brand this guy successfully. No. Okay. Very good. Okay, I'm thinking. That guy first. Okay, how to get these guys, though? Where is he? Do I have to, Okay, Grublik. Oh, am I supposed to actually, interrogate them? That could make sense. Okay, could you crawl a little faster? You, come over here. Come over here. Mate, come on! Really? You're gonna be this slow? Okay. This is great. Wow, I did not expect that. Wow. I didn't, guys. Promise you. Won't at all. Screw you. Wow, I did not expect that. Okay, get him. Hey, screw you. I'm Woohoo! Okay, bye. See ya later. Haha. Alligator. He doesn't even know. That's hilarious.
Knew he couldn't stand up to me.
Hey, screw you.
Come on, then, talk.
I just want to get all of them, but one. There's so much to ask.
The courage of men is dead man.
Oh.
Your screams will bring such
Hi,
pleasure
Grublood.
to me, at least. Not so sure about you.
Hunter dominating a captain. Hold L control, tap spacebar. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, this guy needs to go down.
Serve my will.
Okay, no back. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, you all need to just step off my grill. Okay, seriously, you need to, like, focus a little bit on the guys who aren't on your team, mate. Oh, is that on my team? I don't know. Okay, seriously, stop it. Just focus him. Oh my gosh, you just really dislike orcs, don't you? You just can't even differentiate in the heat of combat. Okay, got, it's okay, it's okay.
We need him alive.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, we got this. Space. Okay. And your captain. Okay, he's branded. That's good to know.
It is done. He's ours.
We must
Thrown
now
off
make
the
this
edge.
captain a bodyguard, if he is ever to be a war chief.
It is from first strike of thunder that is soon born a storm.
Strike of thunder, born a spawn. Okay. So I'm guessing we're going up here now. Head to the recruitment power struggle. Okay. Oh good. Oh good. I got some recruits right here, man. Oh my gosh, yeah. 1 willing recruit. 2 willing recruits. Oh my gosh, look at all these willing recruits we got. Tisk, tisk, tisk. All of them. Okay, I need to get up here because this could be a good guy to have if we're going to recruit some people. Boom. Hey. You're gonna help me recruit people, okay? Okay, thanks. Glad we had this little chat. Glad we had this talk. What I don't know why I can just jump on the building. You scrub lord. Okay, we're starting this.
Stand with me, or suffer under me. Go away, I serve another.
I must help Rublik eliminate all those who challenge him.
Right, I want these guys though. I'm branding him. Is that it?
He's not now.
Is that it?
Our protege wields fear like a weapon, and we are his invisible ally.
A
Yay.
shadow who stays close and sees all. That is the Elven way.
The Elven way. The pussy way. Yes. Like literally, just hide in the shadows and hope you don't die. It doesn't sound like bravest thing. Hey, with me.
Stand by my side, or lay down at my feet.
Whoa. Okay, get this guy, get this guy. Get him. Okay, we got another one. That's dust. Oh my, okay, what just happened there? Oh. Branding him, branding him.
Before they cut his strings.
Okay, get him.
Kill that turncoat now.
Wait, don't kill him. This is, there you go. Getting you an army. I'm getting you a group.
Next time you won't slip away so easy.
Yeah, he won't slip away so
Our
easy.
captain fights for us well.
Through my will, he steers these Uruks of Mordor.
Through your will, mate. Whatever you say, man. Whatever you say. It's shadow striking there. Preemptively kill some of them. Oh, I want the shield guy in the back. Give me the shield guy. Come on, man. Come on. You can't tell me someone can see him. There's no way. There's no way. Oh. Yay. Whoa. True Uruks.
Now that we have our hunter, let us stalk our
Wow.
prey.
We actually got a decent sized group here. Not a great group. Not strong. Decent sized though. Promoted to bodyguard. Ooh. Raise the alarm. Okay. Will do.
The war chief has chosen our captain.
Then he has chosen death. A great advantage
He
will
has
ready us for
chosen
this
death.
battle.
Can we just brand the captain though? Wouldn't that work just fine? I mean, I think it would. I don't see why it wouldn't. I might go up here.
Listen to them.
Oh my gosh, who's
Vile
behind me?
savage beasts.
And we shall harness and command their savagery.
Okay, this is voila. Mitch. Take that.
I wanted a good brawl too.
Okay, no one's seeing me.
I don't care why or what. Well,
Get him, get him, get
I
him.
hope you're right.
Double stealth kill. Ooh. It's not killing though, it's just branding. Yay. Branding. You guys work for me now. All of you. I don't think I've ever had anything ever be anywhere ever.
Stay away!
Okay, I got this. Perform ledge kill. I don't want to perform a ledge kill. Okay, I'm going. Can you get out of the way? Can you? Thank you. I had to roll into you, but you did it. Okay. Oh no. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, let's go up here. Stealth burn.
It sickens me. I lost my family to this evil.
Exact retribution by turning that evil against itself.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking, yes.
We are wise to use the Oryx ruthlessness
Yeah,
against them.
100% wise. Wise every day. Every time I'm wise, bro. This poor guy, though, is... Go hide, 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 hide. Seem to be good. Never mind then.
Look, there's been a murder.
Never mind, right? There hasn't been a murderer. Oh my gosh, I don't know.
It was a waste of space anyway.
He's a waste of space anyway, mate. Apparently. What a jackass, man. What a jackass.
Give for another fight. My sword hungry.
Oh, trust me, you're gonna get one pretty soon, man. You're gonna get one pretty soon. That was a realistic jump as if I've ever seen one. Okay, now what do I do here? Tars the knife. Tars. Oh, sorry. It's awkward. It's awkward.
We are ready for our final move. You serve the bright master!
Man filth, man filth, man filth.
Maybe you could take one of us, but now you're a dead man.
So you're saying I would beat you in a 1v1, bro? Okay. Good to know. Oh my gosh, I just broke through his shield entirely now. Okay, you guys need to step off a little bit there. Oh my gosh, Caragor Ruth. Ooh, no, 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 no. Just taking him down. Pound. Get him down.
I need to assist in the fight.
What do you mean you need to assist in the fight, you little jackass? I killed that guy on accident. Sorry about that. Keep the combos alive. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, you guys need to stop it. Okay, you guys need to step off a little bit. Okay, no. That's not happening. Mate. Finished it. Wow. Betrayal. Succeed, yes. Wow. 15 power. Scurry if he wasn't under my control. Okay.
I am the strongest war chief in all of Mordor.
Sure you are, bro.
Lead my army over a field of broken skulls. Come stand behind me, or let my blade beat your neck.
Don't know what show, okay? It's pretty good.
Marwyn's plan has given us great strength.
Strength should not be squandered, but wielded.
Yeah.
The Queen will show us how.
Marwyn's strategy yields great results. An army of our own to face darkness head on.
A mirror looking upon itself, ready to be cracked.
We should return
Okay.
to Marwyn. She will have more for us.
Oh, we're already back. Okay, thank you for that. Me not having to run back. She dead? Nah. Probably possessed though. Probably possessed. Celebrimbor. I know. I'm so scared. What will happen? Will we lose our wraith powers? Wait, couldn't she just knock her down again? Wait, hang on a sec. Hang on a second. Okay then. Yeah, she's fine. And she's younger now.
I am.
Okay then.
I am now that I can finally see you. My child.
A touching story.
Mother. He's been under the spell of a very powerful wizard.
For a very long time.
I am sorry. Saruman brought you here against my will. I went to him for help.
Why?
Prisoner within my own body.
Why?
What have you seen in your visions?
I have seen Sauron's servants. The tower
What?
and the Black Hand.
Why did you ask Sauron for help
Much
then?
Suffering. If you wish to know where they are across the Sea of None.
Their forces. How strong?
Incredibly.
Strong enough to defeat us all.
Oh, well, that's pretty bad.
Need an army.
Yeah. Are we getting all the war chiefs? Because that'd be cool. Kill all the war chiefs, then brand all the war chiefs. That'd be cool.
Illness still plagues you. Rest, Mother. I will make preparations for our journey out of Mordor.
You do that. Okay, let's go. Mission complete.
Saruman is one of the Istari. With the power of the ring,
branding.
he could have built a great army to challenge the Dark Lord.
True,
And
true.
that's what we must do. The one garrison does not an army make.
Yes. We must dominate more war chiefs for a true army.
Yep, more war chiefs. Brand the 1 of 5? What? Really? Really, mate? 5? Okay then. I got it. I'll brand 5 war chiefs then. Stupid orcs. Okay, I'll see you over in the next location. Actually, I don't... How long has this been? I don't know, it's probably been long enough. I think I'm going to call this episode here. Hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, leave a like, all that jazz. I will see you all in the next episode of Shadow of Mordor. Until then, bye everybody.